Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a custom domain to your Google website. So as you can see, this is a website that I was editing. I chose it from a template on Google website, so simply go to sites.google.com, and if you don't already have an account, just sign in with your account and start creating your website from the offered template or start from scratch. Now once you've edited your website and you want to add your custom domain, simply click on the settings icon right here and then navigate to custom domains and then click on start setup. Now enter the domain name here. So there's a domain that I purchased on GoDaddy. Okay, now I added the domain name that I have or I purchased on GoDaddy. And of course this domain name is not verified, so I need to verify my ownership to this domain. Click on verify ownership. And now I can choose between domain and URL prefix. This will verify the domain on Google Search Console. So if I click here, for example, on domain, continue, and in here you have the instructions to verify your domain name. So you can select a record type, TXT record or CNAME record. I'll go with TXT. Now I go to my GoDaddy here, and now I'm on my GoDaddy homepage. Now I go to my products, and this is the domain name that I have. Click on DNS next to it. And now I need to add this TXT record right here. So in the DNS records here, and now click on add new record. Choose the type, TXT record. The name, let's leave it as @ and now you want to paste the code or the text here that you copied. You want to paste it right here, and now save. And now it's adding the DNS record, and the record is now added successfully. Now go back and click on verify right here, and this may take some time to apply. And here it tells you that it probably takes some time to appear, so don't worry, it might take up to 24 hours for the DNS record to be successfully verified and to verify your ownership of the domain name and connect it successfully to your Google website.